Unit 6, Lesson 11, using equations to solve problems. I can solve story problems by drawing and reasoning about a tape diagram or by writing and solving an equation. So you've got a tape diagram, and they want you to draw the hanger diagram, and they want you to write the equation and solve for A. So we've been doing this for, 2 weeks now. We should be pretty good at it. All right, so I have A plus 2, right? I should probably be using my colors. And then I've got an A plus 2. And then I have an A plus 2. Then I've got it's equal to 24. I love it when it's all positive. Okay, so now they want us to solve it. So I'm going to zero out. So that's a -6. Signs are different, so I have to subtract, and I get positive 18. Oops, can't use yellow. Yellow is negative. Positive 18. All right, and then I'm splitting it into 1, 2, 3 groups, so A equals 6. Let's see if it works out when I solve it over here. So I have 3 groups of A plus 2, and that's all equal to 24. So 3 times A is 3A, 3 times 2 is 6, and that's all equal to 24. I'm going to zero out first. I'm going to be left with 3A equals 18. Then if I multiply by 3, the opposite would be to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So each A is worth 6, which is what I got from my diagram. All right, so now here we go. Tyler is making invitations to a fair. He has already made some invitations, and he wants to finish the rest of them within the week. He is trying to spread out the remaining work to make the same number of invitations on each day. Tyler draws a diagram to represent the situation. So how many total invitations is he trying to make? Right there, 122. How many invitations has he made already? Right there, 66. How many days does he have to finish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 7 days in a week. So I should be good. How many invitations should he make each day to reach his goal? Okay, well, if I was going to solve this using my tape diagram, I'm going to subtract 66. So 122 minus 66 leaves me with 56. 56 divided by 7 is going to be 8 invitations each day. That's what I think it's going to be. Let's write an equation and solve it. So I have 7x plus 66 is equal to 122. So I zero out first. And I'm left with 7x. I divide by 7 because I just want to find out what it is for 1x. I'm trying to find for 1. So x equals 8, which is what I got in my initial tape diagram. Noah and his sister are making prize bags for a game at the fair. Noah is putting 7 erasers in each bag, and his sister is putting the same number of stickers. After filling 3 bags, they have used a total of 57 items. Noah writes the equation 3 parentheses 7 plus x equals 57 to represent the situation. Do you agree with him? Explain your reasoning. So he puts 7 pencils in each bag, right? And his sister's putting the same number of stickers. So they filled 3 bags. 1, 2, 3. I agree. So there are 3 groups of 7 plus X, X representing the stickers. Okay, how many stickers is Noah's sister putting in each bag? Explain or show your reasoning. So I have 3 parentheses X plus 7 equals 57, right? Yep. Okay, so I distribute first, so I get 3X plus 21 equals 57. So I'm going to zero out, so I'm going to subtract my 21 on each side, because a positive and a positive 21 and a negative 21 make a 0 pair. I'm left with 3X equals 36. So now I'm going to find for just 1X. So if I have 3 X's, I want to figure out for 1. So I want to split it into 3 equal groups. So X equals 12. So if I check it, is 12 plus 7 going to equal 57? Well, 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 and 19. 19 times 3 is 57. It works out. All right, a family of 6 is going to the fair. They have a coupon for $1.50 off of each ticket. They pay $46.50 for all their tickets. How much does the ticket cost without the coupon? So they want us to write an equation and find the cost. So I know there are 6 people going, and we have the ticket, and they have a coupon, so they're saving money. So that's subtracting $1.50. And they paid a total of $46.50. So I have 6X, and then 6 times $1.50. I'm gonna get out my calculator, make my life a little easier there. I get 9. Now, instead of subtracting, I have to make a 0 pair, so I'm going to add 9 because I want to 0 out first. So I have 6X equals $55.50. I want to split that into 6 equal groups because I want to figure out just for 1 ticket without the coupon. So I have $55.50 divided by 6. I get $9.25. All right. A baby giraffe weighed 132 pounds at birth and gained weight at a steady rate for the first 7 months. So a steady rate means that it doesn't go up or go down. It's going to gain the same number of pounds, which is not realistic, but whatever. Until its weight reached 538 pounds. Holy crap. That's a heavy giraffe. How much did he gain each month? So I have 7 months. I don't know how much he gained each month, but I do know when he was born, he weighed 132 pounds. I know that he now weighs 538 pounds. I'm going to 0 out on each side. So he gained 406 pounds in 7 months. Holy guacamole. You would have to eat a lot of food for that. So I want to figure out just for 1 month, because that's what they want to know. How much did he gain each month? Each month means for 1. So 406 divided by 7. I get 58 pounds. Holy Toledo. So, I don't know. Like a 2nd grader? This giraffe gained a 2nd grader every month. 6 teams are playing on the field for soccer. The teams all have the same number of players. So I have 6 teams and the same number of players. The coach asked for 2 players from each team to come help move some equipment. So they had some players, then they took some. Now there are 78 players on the team, or on the field. Write an equation whose solution is the number of players on each team. Okay, so there were 6 teams. And then they took a player from each one. So we had the members and they took 2. And each had the same number of players. That's how I know I have to use the parentheses. Equals 78. So now I'm going to do 6x. 6 times a -2 is a -12. Now to zero out, I'm going to add 12 to each side. Get 90. Now I want to find for just one team because they want to know how many players were on each team. So 90 divided by 6, I think it's going to be 15. Yep. X equals 15 players. Chloe would know if this is a normal number of players for a soccer team. I hope so. All right, so now you're at your cool down. Diego scored 9 points less than Andre. So I want you to think about it. You've got Diego, and he scored 9 points less than Andre. Then you've got Noah scored twice as many points as Diego. So Noah scored twice as many points, so 2 times A minus 9. Okay, if Noah scored 10 points, how many points did Andre score? All right, so figure out your equation and then tell me how many points he scored. If you need help, make an appointment on Calendly. There's extra practice on Khan Academy. Mr. Morgan has a great help video. And you can always contact a study buddy. I tutor on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.